Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how we can build an app from Excel. Previously, before you can build an app using Power Apps and Excel, there were some few restrictions. Your data in the Excel sheet should be in a table as I have here, and then probably you give your table a name. Then your table or your Excel sheet should also be saved in OneDrive. Then you can correctly link your Excel to your Power Apps so that when you save the data, it's really saved inside the OneDrive with your Excel, which is saved also in your OneDrive. Now, for you to be able to use an offline Excel, the data should be in Excel. It could be in a table or it should be in a table. But if it is not in OneDrive, then it cannot be directly linked to your Power Apps, such that when you enter data, it is going to save. So if it is an offline, then you could use the Excel, which is not necessarily saved in your OneDrive. With the introduction of OpenAI, ChatGPT, and then Copilot, there has been a change. So with this change, you can build an app from an Excel which is not even saved in your OneDrive. So what this means is that when you pick an Excel which is not saved in your OneDrive, it is going to build an app and it's going to create a table inside the database. Then you can straight away build an app from there. So to go ahead, I have an Excel sheet here, one which is a table, and then there's another one which is not in a tabular format. So when I go to my Power App page, the home page, you move to start with data. Then you click on upload Excel file. You pick the Excel from wherever it is located. In this case, it is located on my a new folder. You click on the data or the Excel, then you hit OK. So with this, the new way of building from Excel sheet that's going to move the data from your Excel inside Power Apps, and then it is going to create it in your database as a table so that you can continue from there. So as we see here, the Excel sheet has been moved into Power Apps, and then we are going to create a table based on the data that we had in the Excel. So with this, a name has been given. You can go ahead and then change the name and the various properties, as if you are not so much interested in if you are not okay with the name that is given. So you can go ahead and make the changes. Then one thing that you should also notice that it gives you a primary column or primary field. You can go ahead and change the primary field. Then you have a schema for the primary name. So you can go ahead and change the name, or the name of the table that will be shown inside the database is what is shown here. You can go ahead and change it. Apart from that, there is also this a toggle button here that asks whether your first row, as we have here, is the name of the column that you want to give inside the new table that you are creating in the database. So if you think you are okay with whatever is here, then straight away you go ahead and click create an app. So since we are okay, I'll just click on create an app. So with the create an app, this is going to create a Power Apps straight away from the Excel that we have created. And this is quite a novel. It's a new thing that has been introduced, making things very simpler for you to build an app, for citizen developers to straight away build an app from Excel that we normally, or some of us are very quite into it. Okay, so straight away our app is created. And we can see from the screen that the app has been created with some forms, and then it's also created inside a container. So when we click, we have a form, and then we have a gallery that has some preloaded formulas that will be able to help you to enter the new. So this is a new thing that has been introduced. It's in preview, so we use it with caution, but very soon it might go a public or generally available for us to be able to use. So we see that the app is created, and then you can hit on the new. When we click on new, you can go ahead and insert a new thing. For example, Office K, amount 200, description ABC, if you like. And then you can go ahead and click the submit. It is going to be submitted into, so as we see, it's the new app that we created, or the new record that we created is added to the database. The existing one is also shown here. There is also a search button that you can search. So if I want to search Office A, if I want to search area A, you see that it's able to give you only area A. So this is I guess a very good way of building an app, and it's going to help citizen developers and everybody who is very much into Excel and trying to build an app or start the introduction to the Power Apps. So we are very grateful to you. It gives new opportunity